Welcome back, children. Let's do our exercise. We were doing exercise 4.2. We have completed second sum. So let's start with the third one. Exercise 4.2, page number 84. The third sum. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees and angle BOD is equals to 40 degrees, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Okay, we have to find angle BOE, this one, and we have to find angle reflex COE. What is angle COE? Please look into your figure, children. This is COE, and reflex of angle COE will be this angle. So first we will find angle COE and subtract it from 360 degrees. To find reflex, to find reflex angle COE, what we have to do? First we have to find the measure of angle COE and then subtract it from 360 degrees. 360 minus angle COE will give us reflex angle COE. Okay, is that clear, children? So first step is to write what is given to us. What have they given? They said AB and CD are intersecting lines. Let us write that. AB and CD are intersecting lines. Okay, what else is given? They gave angle BOD. Angle BOD is given to us as 40 degrees. And they also gave angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees. What is that angle? AOC plus angle BOE. These two angles, when we add, it is 70 degrees. This is given to us. Now we have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. We have to find this. Let us start solving, children. If you observe, AB and CD are intersecting lines. So these are vertically opposite angles. So can I say angle AOC is equals to angle BOD, which is given to us as 40 degrees. And what is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Yes? Is that clear, children? Now in the question they gave us angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees. This is given to us in the question. Just now we have found this as 40 degrees and we said it is vertically opposite angle. Yes, children? Now this condition is given to us. They said angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees. We have just now found angle AOC as 40 degrees. So let us substitute it. 40 degrees plus angle BOE, we don't know, we have to find the value of angle BOE, that is equals to 70 degrees. So angle BOE will be equal to 70. When we take 40 to the other side, it becomes minus 40. So angle BOE is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, is that clear, children? So here we got angle BOE is equals to 30 degrees. They had asked us to find this angle. One we have found. Now the second part, they are asking us to find reflex of angle COE. Yes, so for that first we need to find angle COE. So let us find angle COE. Now if you observe this angle COE, can I say this as a straight line? Yes, so angle COE is equals to 180 minus angle AOC plus angle BOE. Yes, see, children, consider this as your straight line AOB. This part is COE, this green part. Okay, this part is angle COE. Now if I have to find the angle COE, I will consider angle AOB, this complete straight line, minus AOC and BOE. Let me write it. Angle COE is equals to 180 degrees minus angle AOC plus angle BOE. See, from this complete area, we have to remove these two angles. Then we will get angle COE. Is that clear, children? So this is equals to 180 minus angle AOC, we got it as 40 degrees plus BOE, we found it as 30 degrees. So it is 180 minus 70, that is equals to 110 degrees. Is that clear, children? And the question was actually to find reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE will be nothing but 360 minus measure of angle COE. So that is equals to 360 minus 110, that is equals to 250 degrees. Is that clear, children? Okay. Okay, children, moving on to the fourth sum. In the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equals to 90 degrees and A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3, find C. Now this is the figure given to us and they are saying XY and MN are intersecting lines. They are intersecting at point O and POY is equals to 90 degrees. A is to B ratio is given and they are asking us to find C. Okay, children. So let us write what is given to us. It's given XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POY is equals to 90 degrees and they also gave A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. They are asking us to find C. Okay, they gave us C. See, children, XY is a straight line. Yes, if POY is 90 degrees, POX will also be 90 degrees. So can I say A plus B is equals to 90 degrees? Yes, A plus B is equals to 90 degrees and this we have found from figure. Okay, they also gave us A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. The parts are given. Whenever ratio is given, we have to find the sum of parts. Sum of the parts is equals to 5. So what will be the B part? B part will be 3 by 5 of 90. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So we have B is equals to 3 into 18, which is equals to 54 degrees. Yes, children, we have found B. Now B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Why? See, if you observe this, B plus C is a straight line. So B plus C is 180 degrees. The reason is linear pair. Okay, see, this is a straight line. The angle made by them is 180 degrees. So I am writing B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. C will be equal to 180 minus B, that is nothing but 180 minus B, we found it as 54 degrees. So when we subtract, we get C as 126 degrees. Is that clear, children? Okay. Let's solve the last sum of this video, children. The fifth one, I am reading the question. You please look into your books. This is very simple. In the given figure, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. They have given angle PQR. That means this angle and this angle are equal. We have to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Let us write what is given to us. They have given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Required to prove, RTP is required to prove. Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Now proof. Let us start the proof. Now if you observe this, children, see, this is a straight line. So can I say angle PQR plus angle PQS, this angle. Okay, these two angles form a linear pair. Form a linear pair means they will, when we add them, the sum will be 180 degrees. So I will write that angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to 180 degrees. Similarly, this side, can we say angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to 180 degrees? Yes. So that we are writing here angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to 180 degrees. Let us call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Why are we saying them as 180 degrees? Because they form a linear pair. Okay children? So now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, see if you observe the right hand sides, 180 and 180 are same. So I will equate both of them. Angle PQR is plus angle PQS is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Okay. Now in the given, they have given angle PQR is equals to PRQ. So in place of PRQ, I will write it as PQR because they are equal. Okay. So this becomes angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to angle PQR plus angle PRT. Yes children, PQR and PQR gets striked out. So we are left with angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. That's what they asked us to prove. Hence proved. Watch the video again and again if you don't understand, or get back to me if you have any doubts. Thank you.